Hey guys, Mike from Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Here today with my man Chris.
Hi guys.
Chris, what do we got going on today?
Well, I had a customer come in, complain of rough idle and check engine light, VSC and traction control lights on.
That sounds concerning.
A little bit.
So we hooked up the scanner and what did we find?
Code that came up was a cylinder 4 misfire.
And that was a hard code?
Yes.
And that usually means?
That there's a problem.
There's a problem. So we start by lifting the hood.
I lifted up the hood, lifted up
this is going somewhere.
Lifting up the engine compartment cover on the engine.
The cover and...
Well, this is what we find.
Booyaka-cha. Wow, look at that. We got Hammy Hamster or Mickey Mouse building a home.
Mickey Mouse finally found a new home.
A mobile one at that. So we've got to clean this up and likely find some chewed wires. Hopefully we don't find Mickey underneath.
I don't want to find Mickey in there.
But we're willing to bet that there's going to be some good stuff deep undercover. So we'll get it resolved, get it cleaned up, get whatever repaired, and we'll be hopefully on our way.
Yep, hopefully.
All right, there you have it. Folks, this COVID has kept the vehicles off the road, and we've done a couple of these videos with these nests. This is just another example of what you got to look for, and keep an eye out, because they like to build homes, especially in warm places. So, Urban Automotive, safety first.